Bluetooth audio adapter. Makes your speakers Bluetooth for streaming music from your smartphone or tablet. Multipoint Bluetooth connectivity. Simultaneously pair your smartphone and tablet and stream music from either one. Easy pairing and automatic re-pairing. Pair your device to the adapter once with a single button press and you're done. Long-range wireless. Stream music from up to 15 meters, 50 feet, away from your speakers. Works with most speakers. Plugs into any powered PC speakers, home stereo systems and A/V receivers using RCA or 3.5mm jacks. This product is a receiver only, not a transmitter. Top reviews from the United States. You can't go wrong with Logitech. I love this little gadget. I connected it to my whole house audio system input source and now I can play Pandora throughout my house from my smartphone. Note: it is recommended that you also purchase a smart power switcher with this product. Because, your phone will still pair with this device even when your sound system is turned off. So, if your phone rings and it is still paired to this Logitech adapter, you will not hear any sound out of your phone. To fix this, I purchased an ELK912B power relay and connected it to the trigger out on my whole house audio system. I also recommended to the manufacturer that they have this trigger function built in so there is no need to purchase a separate device.